And let's talk about the next workshop, investing in individual stocks. So first and foremost, this workshop somewhat builds on the knowledge in Investing 101. So if you want to attend Investing 101 one week and next week come to investing in individual stocks, that would be perfect. So investing in individual stocks sometimes gets a bad rap. It's known for being somewhat more risky. So of course, as we are learning these things, I will say that this is for someone that's a little bit more advanced or someone who wants to learn more about investing. So maybe you have time, maybe you just have great interest, right? And also, it's for someone who thinks, well, if I'm investing in the market, I'll never beat the market. And the only way to beat the market is by taking on a little extra risk and choosing some individual stocks. Now, this is fundamentally more risky, and we will talk about ways to invest in a lower risk, diversified way. But ultimately, individual stock investing is for those who want to have more control over the companies they invest in. Maybe they want to invest with their values. Maybe they want to try to beat the market, as we mentioned, or maybe they just want to learn more. So in addition to those topics and those reasons, so we'll talk about what are individual stocks and how they're different from other investments. We'll talk about why you want to invest in individual stocks. We'll talk about how to actually do it and how to track your performance, which is a very important piece, and how to choose the companies to invest in, right? Maybe some things are important to you, maybe other things matter less. So we'll make sure that what you're investing in makes sense for you. And finally, how to actually set up your portfolio in order to reduce the risk, the inherent risk of investing in individual stocks. So I think this workshop is really great for anyone who just wants to learn more or build upon the knowledge they already have from Investing 101, someone who wants to take a little bit more control of their investments and get to choose where their money actually goes. Maybe you want to choose things that are socially responsible. Maybe you want to choose things that are catered towards green energy. Maybe you have a passion for healthcare and you want to invest in that. But whatever the reason, this is a workshop that will help you get started in that exciting field. Or like I said, perhaps you're someone who wants to try to take on a little bit more risk and learn a little bit more about investing to try to get higher returns. Now, I will be sharing in a later video about my experience investing in individual stocks and how much money I've made compared to if I had just invested in the market. So stay tuned for that.